Garlic, also known as meat dish, gourd. Liliaceae plants. The best medicinal herb is single-head purple garlic. Sexual taste spicy, warm, strong pungent smell. Efficacy detoxify, reduce swelling and kill insects. Ingredient: the effective medicinal ingredient of garlic is volatile allicin. Fresh garlic is free of allicin and contains allicin, an acid that is broken down by allicin enzymes present in garlic to produce allicin. So, fresh garlic is not spicy, and old, air-dried garlic is spicy, the hotter the better. In addition, garlic also contains garlic glucoside, have the effect of lowering blood pressure. Another substance can enhance the body's ability to assimilate vitamin B1. Garlic nutrition for protein, fat, sugar and vitamin A, B1, C and so on. The nutrient composition of garlic shoots is protein, fat, calcium, phosphorus, iron, etc. Pharmacology: allicin has a strong bactericidal effect on Staphylococcus aureus and Escherichia coli. The antibacterial effect of purple garlic was stronger than that of white garlic. Low concentration of purple garlic juice has inhibitory effect on dysentery bacillus. High concentration can be sterilization. Garlic juice after heating treatment, the effective component is destroyed, so garlic sterilization with raw is better. High concentration also inhibited the tuberculosis bacillus, but the highest concentration of 0.5% garlic juice did not inhibit Pseudomonas aeruginosa and Proteus. In addition, to the skin fungus, Candida, Rickettsia, Amoeba protozoa, vaginal trichomonas, have killing effect. Function: have antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and drive intestinal parasites role, and have stomach, drive chi, sedation, cough, expectoration, strong and other functions. It has good effect on preventing and treating common cold and gastrointestinal bacterial infection. Was there 1. To prevent influenza, garlic mash juice, add 10 times water, nasal drops, or mouth with 2 pieces of raw garlic can also be. 2. Cold, headache, stuffy nose, aversion to cold and fever, garlic, scallion, ginger equal amount, take warm decoction, sweating is more. 3. Acute and chronic rhinitis, sinusitis, garlic mash juice, add glycerin twice, after washing the nose with saline, wipe dry, with cotton ball dip medicine plug in the nose, no glycerin available honey. 4. Per cow, cough, acute and chronic bronchitis, etc. 1 ball of purple garlic, peeled and minced, 1 orange cake also minced, add a bowl of water, boil 1 or 2 boiling, filter out the slag, and add some white sugar, take 2 to 3 times a day. Pertussis can also be used. Garlic cloves: tear off the skin of garlic, mashed such as mud, evenly spread on the gauze, thick about 3 to 4 points, before going to bed apply it to plantar. Plantar must first besmear petroleum jelly or lard, in order to prevent foaming. Above cover a layer of plastic film, put on socks, the next morning to remove. If there is no pain at the bottom of the foot, it can be applied for 3 to 5 nights, or every other day. This method is also applicable to other night cough. 5. Tuberculosis, Tuberculous pleurisy, 1 head of garlic, cut thin slices, lay flat in the dazui point, rub into a group as big as small beans with eye fleece, burn on the garlic slice, burn as a wick, even moxibustion 2 to 3 wick, to feel the burning pain, no bubbliness for the degree, moxibustion 1 time every other day or 2 to 3 days. May also use purple garlic 15 pieces, small 20 pieces peeled, put in boiling water to boil for 1 to 1.5 minutes, take out, with its water and glutinous rice 1 or 2, cook into porridge, and then the original garlic into porridge, stir evenly. Edible, eat this porridge at the same time. Food: Blatilla powder 1 money. So eat once in the morning and once in the evening, eat for 10 to 15 days, pause for 3 days and then eat again. 6. Non-stop nosebleed, 2 or 3 pieces of raw garlic crushed and spread on cloth, as big as coins, were attached to the inching point of the foot and fixed. Left epistaxis was attached to the left foot, right epistaxis was attached to the right foot, and both epistaxis were attached to the right foot, until the pain in the foot became blistered, which was then removed. 7. Malaria hair more than, raw garlic mashed, goose not herbivore grind end, with garlic mashed and made into small cakes such as chessman, big, applied to the dazui, or taiyuan, point, to the degree of foaming. In addition to 1-2 garlic mashed such as mud, and waterfly realgar 5 money together to make a large ball of beans, each take 1 money, 2 to 3 times a day. 8. Upper gastrointestinal bleeding. 4 portions of garlic cloves and 1 portion of Xuanming powder were mixed and smashed, then 3/4 were taken, wrapped with 4 layers of gauze, applied to Yangchen point at the bottom of the foot, removed after 3 to 4 hours, applied once a day, until the medicine was stopped after the blood stopped. Note that the soles of the feet should be coated with Vaseline before sticking to prevent plantar blisters. Hunan Scientific and Technological Data. 42 cases were observed in a hospital, 40 cases were cured. 9. Scrapping gas. Abdominal pain, heat stroke, distension of the heart, vomiting and diarrhea including acute gastroenteritis. 1 ball of raw garlic. Cut the skin membrane into fine particles, take with warm water, 2 to 3 balls a day, can be doubled in severe cases. 10. Acute appendicitis. Garlic 50%, glauberite, rhubarb 25% each, such as mud, add vinegar a little stir, apply on the point of tenderness, about an inch thick, surrounded by gauze ring, prevent the liquid from flowing out, 2 hours after removal, then with a large amount of apply. A total of 344 cases were treated, with an effective rate of 96.2%. Source: Gaoyou, Y, An, Jiangsu, etc. 11. Enteritis, dysentery, garlic 3 to 5 yuan mashed, purslane 1 to 2, fried water 1 bowl, poured into the garlic, filtered juice, can also add sugar, 2 times a day to take, or garlic burn, grind end, every 5 cents to 1 money, 2 to 3 times a day. 12. Amoebic dysentery, daily with 5% to 10% garlic infusion enema, at the same time with garlic for 1.5, cut into small pieces, swallowed in warm water, 1 day 2 to 3 times. Hookworm, pinworm, an appropriate amount of raw garlic, cut into fine grains and swallowed on an empty stomach for hookworm disease. Or mash it with garlic, transfer it to Vaseline, smear it around the patient's anus before going to bed, wash and clean the next day, and smear it for 3 to 5 nights for pinworm disease. 14. High blood pressure, every morning fasting eat sweet and sour garlic 1 to 2 ball, and several drink sweet and sour juice, even eat 10 to 15 days, can make blood pressure more lasting drop. It has also been reported that this method is also effective for asthma and chronic bronchitis. 15. Prevention of frostbite. The purple garlic will be smashed before winter, rub in the place often suffering from frostbite, once a day, even rub 5 to 7 days. If the skin is blistering, stop using it.